but I'm probably going to trade the funded account tomorrow. So that's the whole point of having diversity when it comes to what you're able to trade. Have a live account, have multiple funding accounts.
We about to hop on a chart, so I'm about to see if we can make some money today. Are we gonna catch a trade? Who knows? All I can know is what I can apply in terms of input. I would wanna see 30 have a retracement or have some sort of reaction from here. Said every time it hits TP1, it comes back to break even. He's up about almost $300.
When you smell me, you're gonna like, ooh, what's that? It's gonna be one of these. And those are going into the collection of making me feel good about myself because we are on a losing streak. Just past all these funded accounts, so I have 150K in funding. You'll be able to make money trading. You'll be able to pass funding accounts from following a processing system that's going to lead you.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another video. I'm Andre Diaz, self-employed day trader, content creator, entrepreneur. We about to hop on a chart, so I'm about to see if we can make some money today. Didn't trade yesterday. Yesterday was CPI. The day before that, I ended up taking 2 losses for $2,000. So let's see, are we going to continue our losing streak for the week? Are we going to make some money? Are we going to catch a trade? Who knows? All I can know is what I can apply in terms of input. Follow my system, be disciplined, be consistent, and do what I'm supposed to by following my rules. After that, we got a day up ahead of us. The weather isn't the best outside, but it could be worse. Maybe the sun comes up. But appreciate you guys for showing love on the last video, but we about to get active in this VIP call. So let's see what we can do. Yeah, I'm trying to see, like, I would like short-term shorts, but at the same time, I wouldn't be surprised if she just flew. See what's 30. Price action wise, I would want to at least see us run that low. Run the low and then push. That would be nice. You know what I'm saying? It would make sense, but we shall see. Ideally, if 930 right here drops the fuck off and just hits that low, I may not take nothing to that. I ain't gonna lie. But if it just starts bullshitting, because I feel like every time I miss my fucking trade idea, it's just all downhill from there. After I missed a good trade, I feel like I've had good trade ideas the last couple of days, but they were right at 930, and if I miss it, it's just like, well, better luck next week. Yeah, like we're at the 4-hour gap. Like I would want to see 30 have a retracement or have some sort of reaction from here. But we about to see if we can get the first win of the week. Now, yeah, I have a 100-point stop though, so I have enough room in case you want to get real shiesty. Better safe than sorry. Now, yeah, that's a stop loss on that shit. Fuck this trade. See, directional wise, I wanted to see shorts. We ran the previous high. We didn't run those short-term lows. We barely had a retracement. I wanted the shorts. It's bullish, but I don't even think this is all-time high, is it? Nah, not even all-time high. Pretty backwards. But let's see. I'm about to log into the prop firm. This one's down 250. Yeah, this one I took the trade on. If I take anything, I'm gonna take it on this one. Fuck the live account. Yeah, no hesitation. I'm waiting for it to come a little bit higher though. I'm hesitating, but I'm hesitating to my entry, so it's okay hesitation. Now, yeah, I missed that trade idea because I had too many contracts because of the prop firm, but this looks like it's probably gonna keep falling, unfortunately. It was a good trade idea, just not in it. Well, L day. Took one L trade. I was looking to take the second trade, but it never gave me the entry as you guys seen. But I'm not gonna lie, it didn't go anywhere. So I would have been break even, but it would have never ran these lows, which would have been my TP too. So it is what it is. You win some, you lose some. This is right now a losing trading week for me. That's the reality of it. I don't win every day, I don't lose every day. But there's weeks where I don't make money. And this is one of them weeks. Right now for the week, I'm down, I think, 3,000. So far, we'll see what we can do tomorrow. All right, right now, I got maintenance, fixing this AC that we have fucked up. Like the coils in the AC system's a little bit cooked. But yeah, right now I'm about to sit down on my computer. I'm about to get some content created, because if you guys didn't know, if you follow me on Instagram, you probably already know, but I have a second page. The second page, I'm gonna be trying to get more active, gonna be trying to create more content on it. As you can see, the first reel that I posted yesterday on it, in a while, 1,700 views, and that's in comparison to 30, 100, 80, 90. Like the most before that was 900, but to get 1,700 in a day, it's not bad. But rebuilding clip page, because at the end of the day, content is going to build your brand. That's going to get you and more people to watch the video like you are watching of mine right now. And for all the entrepreneurs that are either trying to teach somebody how to do something, an info product in any way, shape, or form, content is going to be your #1 source of leads. Simple as that. Provide free, valuable content every single day to change people's lives. Do that every single day, consistently every single day, for months, for years. I promise you,
you'll see the results speak for themselves. But it has to be valuable content. You don't make bullshit content where you're just sitting in front of a camera playing video games all day. No, valuable content. Talk on things that are going to change people's lives. Talk on things that you've done to change your life. Talk on obstacles that you've overcome. Just be real, be authentic. That's all people want. So that's what I'm going to continue to do. Give some more reels and everything created while we get this all situated. But before I hop on there, I was just looking at the VIP chat. I'm not the only one. So he ended up catching my second entry. The one that I wasn't able to catch. He ended up catching it. And he said every time it hits TP1, it comes back to break even. He's up about almost $300. It's crazy. It's just not the day. I even told him, markets ain't it today. I threw my flag and I'm walking away. All right, right now I'm in cold Florida. Got my hoodie on, got my jacket on, but we about to head to the mall. She wants to go to Sephora. We're gonna get Chick-fil-A there also, but first, gotta go put gas and air in the tires. Then we got the dirty car. I wanna wash you, but it's just like, the weather's ass. Yeah, like I said, gotta go to the gas station, and from the gas station, we gonna head to the mall. And yeah, just another day. As of right now, nothing too crazy. Still gotta go to the gym, still gotta go on Instagram Live. I got a lot of content posted on both my main page and my second page, so that's that. But besides all that, gotta get to the mall. I just got Chick-fil-A. Got myself 3 colognes, 2 from Sephora, and I got 1 from Neiman Marcus. I'll show you on the car though. All right, so you guys just probably seen the little clips on my phone and everything. From inside, I told you guys that I went to a couple stores. I'm about to show you the colognes before we eat our food. I got myself some Chick-fil-A, she got Chipotle. But look at this, I got 3 colognes. Did I know I was getting 3 colognes? No. The first one that caught my attention was this one right here. I like the Valentino one. As you guys know, the one Valentino, the purple one I have that I showed you guys, goes crazy. But this one I've never seen before. What's even the scent? Born in Roma, the gold. This right here, this one's good and it's different. I know not a lot of people gonna have this because I didn't even know it existed. And I'd be at that Sephora all the damn time. And it's a big bottle. This John thorough, I'm telling you, when you smell me, you're gonna be like, ooh, what's that? It's gonna be one of these. But we got that one, that's 1 of 3. That was the first one we got. The second one was in between a few different ones, but I ended up just getting the YSL myself, Le Parfum. Because I was smelling it and I was gonna get the small one. I was like, you know what? Let me just not hold back. Let me just get the one I like. And this one right here is also very good. This is one that is a standalone. And it's also different because it's like a long, but I didn't get the stupid big one. I got like a medium sized one. So it's gonna go perfect, but add this one to the collection also. So that's YSL Valentino. And then lastly, this one was different. I'm sure you guys aren't even gonna know what this one is because I barely even know how to say the name. She got some stuff too, but this is a guy's haul. But look at this. So this one I got from Neiman Marcus. Look, we gonna undo it. Look how fancy it is. But this one's from Paris. It is called Monsieur Paris, if I said it correctly. I'm not sure, but I think I did. I ain't gonna lie. It sounds good. That sounds Monsieur. I don't know how I did it the first time, but I did. But this one's good. The only reason I even tried this one out to begin with was because she saw the name. The name was Lemon Mint. I honestly didn't think I was gonna like it. Oud Lemon Mint. I don't know what the oud means, but
Oud is good.
Oh, oud is good. What she said, but let's open this one up. Oh my God. This one comes in a fancy John. Look at this. Oh my Lord. We're gonna open it up. This is too fancy. This is that shit from Paris. Look. Come on. That's beautiful. It fits too perfectly in there. And look. Oh shit. And then I just tie it right back up. But that is the third cologne that I got. So I'm cool off colognes. I also got the Chanel one the other day, but that's one I already had. These are 3 different ones that I've never had before. And those are going into the collection of making me feel good about myself because we are on a losing streak. Yeah, I'm about to eat this food. She insisted that she show hers. Where's the lighter?
I got the one size blush in shade Attention Seeker. Super cute, super cute. And then I got the Huda Booty. I said booty. Huda Beauty Cherry Blossom Cake. Super cute, super nice, and it's pink. I've never tried this.
I'm gonna go back to this. Just listening to some Wade Houston while I was at the gym. Take this headset off. I ain't gonna lie, my camera died while I was recording. I don't know how much is gonna be on the camera, but I started recording some stuff on my phone. So you'll have some of that content. I want Bahama Breeze. I need steak in my body. Just had a great workout. My chest feels good. I hit some good legs. My legs are tired. I need some steak. Wake up. I want steak. I want steak. You gotta get up. It's time to get up. It's time to get up.
I'm not calling them.
Fine. That's fine. I just want Bahama Breeze. So it's settled. We're getting Bahama Breeze. But yeah, I'm tired. Yo, why? What's wrong with y'all? These dogs, man. But I ain't gonna lie, this cologne that I got smells really, really good. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of a close-up again. Pretty sure I showed you guys already. But this one right here, this is one you guys probably don't see much. I got it at Neiman Marcus. Monsieur Paris. This shit is good. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, the collection is going crazy right now. I do want to get some Creed. Besides Creed, I'm honestly just testing stuff out. I got a lot of the things that I want. Now it's just about testing new things. Don't know what you like until you try new things. No cap. But I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna take these Ray-Bans and I'm gonna wear these. All right, so I finessed her. As you guys saw, I was supposed to call Bahama Breeze, but I called Bahama Breeze, I threw the phone at her, and I ran to the other room, and I locked myself in it, and she had no choice but to order the food. But nonetheless, we're getting the Bahama Breeze. That's what we're on our way to get right now. But I do want to talk about just a little bit. That Mustang was a little loud, but I want to talk about specifically on what I'm gonna be trading on. So I've been trading a lot on the Hanko Trade account, but I honestly forgot within the last 2 weeks of 2025 that I just passed all these funded accounts. So I have 150K in funding with my funded futures that I haven't really been trading. I was willing to take a trade on it earlier, as you guys saw, but I ended up missing the trade because, you know, I didn't realize that I only had a maximum contract size on the live account of 1 contract. So that was something I was unaware of at the time. I tried to use 2, I didn't get the entry, and it all played out. So it ain't that some shit, but it is what it is, neither here nor there. But I just say that all to say that I'm gonna be trying to trade the funded account a little bit more. I'm gonna try to trade it tomorrow. I'm probably not gonna trade the live account this week, at least any more this week, because we got cooked up. Not gonna lie, we got cooked up. So we're just gonna leave the live account alone for this week. We'll come back again next week with it. But we're probably gonna trade the funded account tomorrow. So that's the whole point of having diversity when it comes to what you're able to trade. Have a live account, have multiple funding accounts, so that you can have some that you risk more, have some that you risk less, have some you trade more, have some that you trade less. It's just having the flexibility and the freedom to do what you want, to have the freedom and flexibility to let your skill set do what it's supposed to do, if that makes sense. But yeah, I'm hungry. I want my steak. I want my rice. I'm about to go get it. And then I'll see you back at the crib. All right, now, I was watching a vlog. What's this guy's name? You guys may know him. Samuel Anuha. I'm not sure. You may know him just by Samuel. But overall, I was just talking to you guys a little bit in the car, essentially about my plans with the funding accounts. I just want to go crazy with them because I can leverage them a lot. My only problem, the main thing just keeping me
from trading them as much as I would want to, and the main thing I get questioned on is when I'm going to trade them. I just hate having to go for that minimum trading days when I could just trade my live account and get a withdrawal the same day. You know what I mean? Why do I put myself in a situation where I can win 5 days in a row to then withdraw a portion? Now, yes, I only paid like $80 for the account challenge at the end of the day, so to be able to withdraw a couple thousand is still a lot of leverage, but even then, I still have the option of trading my live account. It's not like I don't have a live account. There's a train going crazy outside right now. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, essentially though, I want to go crazy with them. I want to take advantage of the leverage I have. I have 150K in funding. I have 3 50K accounts. So altogether, I have the max funding with my funded futures. We're just going to see what we can do. I'm going to keep the risk. I'm going to be risking about 500 to 1,000 per trade. I'm not going to be keeping the risk small. I'm going to be trying to get as much leverage as I can. So when I can actually get a withdrawal, when I actually hit the minimum days, which I think is 5 minimum days of $200 or $100, either or, I'm more than likely going to be able to get it, and I'm not going to be chasing a winning day. A winning day is just going to come by following the process. So anybody that wants to pass funding accounts, anybody that wants to make money trading, you'll be able to make money trading. You'll be able to pass funding accounts from following a process and system that's going to lead you as a byproduct passing a funded account. Don't worry on the result itself. Focus on a process that's going to get you the result. That's going to be the most important thing. But yeah, we're just going to keep doing the same thing we do. System's going to stay the same. The only thing that's going to change is essentially what I'm taking the trade on. Likely, if I'm trading on the funded account, I'm trading on TradingView. If I'm trading on the Henko Trade account, I'm trading on my phone. That's the kind of the difference for you guys to know, but I know a lot of people don't really understand it, but that's that. I'm either trading Henko Trade, which is my live account, or I'm on the funded account, which is going to be on TradingView, which is my funded futures, or Top Step. But either or, it doesn't matter what I'm using. It matters what you're going to be doing, because you're the only thing that matters at the end of the day. Focus on you, focus on your journey, because that's the only thing that's going to be able to take care of your bills. Trust, I'm here to help you. But with that being said, this is going to be a short vlog. I don't really got much for you guys today. I'm just here to show you that consistency, showing up every day, and we're just going to keep improving and build the best version of ourselves. But if you want to learn the day trading concepts that I use every single day, the free trading course is in the description. I'll teach you everything when it comes to how to trade and how I trade every single day. And if you want to get access to the daily live trading Monday through Friday and get access to the weekly money mindset trading sessions every Saturday and Sunday, join the VIP Trading Network, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's daily video.